Can anyone tell me what Carnatic music is? Yes.
I think it is a classical music form.
Very good. It is a classical music form. And of which part of the country?
Karnataka.
Karnataka. No. It's called Carnatic music. It is the classical music form of the entire of South India. Do you know which form is considered that of the north side of India?
Hindustan.
Hindustan. Very good. Hindustan. Now, who is considered the father of Carnatic music?
Is it Saint Tyagaraja?
No, even though Saint Tyagaraja is more popular, it is in fact Saint Purandaradasa who is considered the father of Carnatic music. Saint Purandaradasa was born in the year 1484 in the district of Shimoga in the state of
Karnataka.
Karnataka. Shimoga district is in the state of Karnataka. When he was born, he was called Srinivasa Nayak. He was the son of a very rich merchant. And when he was just 16 years old, he was married. He was married to a very pious and sweet girl called Saraswati Bai. Unfortunately, when he was only 20 years old, he lost his parents.
Auntie, who took care of him and his wife? How did they live without their parents?
Very good. Now, even though Srinivas Nayak was very young, he was very clever and had very good business acumen. So, his father had a small business, right? So, what did he do? He expanded his father's business and became immensely wealthy.
How can we recognize his kirtans?
Very good question. Now, there are so many kirtans, many singers have sung many kirtans. How do we recognize Saint Purandarasa's kritis? How do we differentiate them? If you notice the pen name or the mudra, Purandara Vithala, at the end of any song, you can be sure that it is Saint Purandarasa's. He ended his kritis with the pen name Purandara Vithala. Purandara
Vithala.
Very good. Purandara Vithala was his mudra. Yes.
Auntie, you told us that he was very rich. Did he help the needy with his money?
Interesting question. Now, even though he was very wealthy, he did no good for anybody. He was very miserly and very greedy. All he did was collect, collect, collect. He never gave anyone anything. But what did Lord Narayana do? He enacted a play. To do what? To teach Saint Purandaradasa the true value of life. What do we come down here for? It is not for money. So let us listen to this story.
Sir, can I borrow 200 mohurs from you?
You may, but at the rate of 30%
Huh?
interest. You will give me 260 moharas after 1 year.
Sir, your father never used to charge so much interest. Your father was a nice man and gave free food to the needy.
Hmm?
You have accumulated a huge wealth and still you do not perform even one good deed. Why don't you give it a 10% interest? I am not so well off.
Huh? Who are you to tell me what I should do? Accept this rate or get out. For me, only money is God. Okay?
Huh?
What can I do for you?
I am a poor man. I have to perform the Upanayan ceremony of my son. You are a rich man. Can you please give me some money? God will bless you.
This is not a charitable institution. Go away and don't bother me.
Sir, generous people like Karna, King Sibi, who have lived in this land, gave everything that they had. Can you not be a part of a few gold coins?
Enough of your advice. I don't need it. Don't waste my time. I will not give you a single coin.
Please do not talk like that.
I said go.
Please, please, sir, please.
Get out. Come all of you and throw this ruffian out.
I am going. I say I am going. You don't have to call your watchdogs.
How much strength does this old man have? He looks old, but has the strength of a young man.
Is this the house of Srinivas Nayak?
Yes, and I am Saraswati, his wife. Please come in.
Blessings, dear Saraswati. I went to your husband's shop asking him some money so that I can perform the Upanayan ceremony of my son. But he literally threw me out. Would you be kind enough to give me some money?
Oh, sir. Although my husband has a lot of money, but I do not have access to the cash box. As you can see, my husband does not like to spend money even for the upkeep of the house.
But can you give me anything else?
The only thing I own this nose ring. Please take this nose ring. It is quite valuable and will fetch you enough money for your purpose.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. You are so generous. God will bless you.
Oh, you're back again. What do you want now?
Sir, now I have something to pledge. Take this nose ring and give me some money.
Let me see the ring. Sundar, come here. You wait here. Sundar, mind the shop. I shall be back soon. From where did this old man get this nose ring? It looks like my wife's. Saraswati! 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 Saraswati, what happened to your nose ring? Where is it?
Nose ring? Ring? Ah, I just removed it for cleaning. It is in the puja room.
Go and get it. I want to have a look at it. Go!
Let me get it. Oh Lord, I am in deep trouble. I only tried to help an old man. What will I do now? If I cannot show the nose ring to my husband, he will turn me out. Please help me. Please help me. Oh, merciful Lord, you have saved me. You have saved me. You have saved me. Here, take this nose ring. How long will you continue with this greediness for wealth and gold? We have to go with empty hands when death snatches us away. I do not want anything except God's grace. Here, take my ornaments also.
Huh? Hold on, hold on. This ring here? How can it be? Okay, I'm going to the shop. I shall be back soon. What is this? This ring? How is it possible? I'm not understanding anything. Let me see there only. Huh? Huh? It's gone. It's gone. Huh? Huh? It's gone. It's gone. I understand now. No wonder. No wonder. The old man was so strong. The old man was so strong. My dear Saraswati, you are the blessed one. You are the blessed one.
Arare, get up. Get up. What are you doing? What will people think? What happened? Why are you crying?
Lord Panduranga himself came as an old man. Neither of us recognized him. But you acted with kindness and generosity and received his grace.
That was Lord Vithala. How wonderful.
And I treated him with arrogance and pushed him out. What a wretched man am I. Saraswati, despite my outward actions in my heart, I pine for Lord Panduraga. Can I ever see him again?
I always knew that you are a good man at heart. Don't feel bad about what happened. The Lord has a plan for you. I am sure. Let us renounce everything and give all our wealth to the poor.
Yes. Let us do that and go around constantly singing the glory of God. I realize the worthless of attachment to worldly possessions. Yes.
ആനലേകര മുന്നിപോലതി സകല ശാസ്ത്ര പുരാണദീനം താളദീനം താളപരികതു രേ രേ സേതുവാക പരികതം നം സേതുവാക പരികതം നം സേതുവാക പരികതം